What's going on, crew? Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Cilla. And I'm Maddy. And today we're turning a 1-year-old slime into a day-old slime. And we're making a 1-year-old slime. Much, much better. So this is probably all the way back from 2019. That's all last year. We gotta make it 2020. We gotta give it a huge glow up. Woo! So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys go follow us on Instagram for a shout out and to see more content. So before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button to be part of the crew, and you only have 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? And remember, we post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's get started. Alright, Mama, give us our 1-year-old slime. What did you find in the dungeon this time?
There you go. I must have mixed up all the slimes
What is
together and then they dried up.
Oh, this is gross. This looks so weird. I'm just gonna say, you kind of mix this a little bit better.
Yeah, but you guys have to use all of it.
Oh, the bottom is kind of nice, but the texture is really wet.
You guys have to use all of it. Remember, so cut it in half or break it in half, whatever you have to do.
Okay. Aiming for the blue and the pink. That's the one I want the most. Oh wait, there's more blue over on this side. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is kind of hard to mix up. We're gonna mix it up to see what color this is. I personally think it's gonna turn into a brown or like a little nasty gray. Ooh, this looks like tie-dye. I hope it's blue. Mine's not even mixing. Yeah, this slime is very hard. Yeah. Okay, so this slime is really hard to mix, but I think my slime is going to turn into like a dark purple or a brown, near one of those colors. So let's go get our ingredients for this hard slime. Okay, so I have no clue what color it's gonna turn out, but Priscilla said like near brown or purple, so yeah. We might get some pink. We need a lot though, so we're gonna get this, with some red also. I think that's good. We obviously need pigments. We're gonna get a lot of pigment. We need a lot of ingredients, guys. And then I'm gonna get 2 bottles of shaving cream. And then I'm gonna get all my recollections because that's definitely gonna fix the slime. And then I'm gonna get 2 foam soap and a lotion and I'm good. Okay, so my slime kind of turned into like a really kind of weird pink. So I'm gonna make it into a purple because I love the color purple. And then we also need some glitter to sparkle it up because that does not have any glitter in it. So I think I'm gonna use that pink right there. And then I'm gonna use some, what is this doing in here? Okay, well I guess we'll get this. And then some of this. And we need lotion. What do I see here? No lotion? Well, oh, she did give me this winter candy apple. It smells glorious. Mommy's gonna love that. And then I'm gonna get some foam soap. Okay, I guess we're good. All right, so now let's start fixing this 1-year-old nasty slime. And this texture is horrible. I can't even mix mine. I don't even know what the end color is, so I'm gonna add a lot of lotion. I'm gonna add a lot of foam soap to make it a little bit stretchier. And this is a lot. We gotta clean it up too. And now let's add some lotion. So Maddie, I see you stole all the lotion. Nice. Let's mix this up. Massage it into the slime like a spa. Just squeeze it in there. Ooh, is it coming stretchier already? Wow, I'm so magical. You wish you had the hands like me. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Looks like your slime looks a little rubber there. What? No, it's better. As you can kind of see, the color is like a purpley pink color. And I'm kind of happy about that because then it'll be easy to change into a purple. But it's just, I can't mix little streaks of green in there. And that will not look good for my presentation. What are you laughing about? You have the same stuff. No, you don't. What? I'm adding a lot more lotion. Dude! Where's your lotion go? Who took that? I think there's a ghost in the dungeon came in here. Oh my gosh. in. But the ghosts love me. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Okay. Lucky me. I'm back! So, how was your business in there? I had a great time alone. Great time. Oh, do you think something's missing? I didn't take anything. I heard something from over there. Maddie, you're so funny. You added more slime. You and your jokes, so funny. Or no, you took more slime, because look how small this is. Wow, Cilla. Wow. Wait a second, I didn't take any of your slime. I took your lotion. How did it get that small, though? I don't know. Where's the bathroom at? Upstairs. I don't know what she's talking about, guys. Cause I didn't clog the toilet. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now my slime is stretchy. Oh. Anyways, I'm going to start changing the color by adding some shaving cream first to lighten up this color. Oof, that's a lot. Whoa! Oh my gosh. What? So satisfying. My goodness. Feels really nice. Hopefully it lightens up the color. Okay, so first I'm gonna add in the pigment that I found. All in there. All of it. Thank you very much. Okay, it's looking really pretty. Hopefully it changes the color. Why are you laughing, Maddy? A little change. That's not changing. Okay, guys, so this did not work, so let's add a little bit of my color in. That's good for now. Let's see how pretty the purple will be. Hopefully it's not like a very dark purple. It does not like that. That's not gonna change. Excuse me. It's looking like it's changing to me. Mine's already kind of pink. Well, I didn't even add anything. Well, we can make it more pink. Add my neon. Because I don't want it to be dull. This looks kind of purple. Oh, give me some. Give me some, baby. Okay, that's good. Sorry, you're not allowed to have some. Ooh. Ooh. Well, that's like a nice magenta color. Hopefully this turns into a brighter pink. So I split my slime in 3 parts because my slime is humongous and it's hurting my hands right now. So I just put them in the tinier parts. And the color, guys, it's not really changing that much. I think this is nice. Okay, so this is turning pink, but it's like a purple and a dull pink. So I'm going to change the food coloring and I'm gonna go for Dusty Rose. Hopefully this one changes. Wait, what's that shiny thing? That's so pretty. Okay, that's good for now. Hopefully this changes. pigment now. Ooh, whoa. I'm gonna add another container. Stop. We'll do two different shades.
so much pigment?
Because the color isn't changing. Do you see the color? Oh. It's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my arm is so sparkly.
You look like a pink Smurf.
Whoa, it's so shimmery and shiny. And I'm also shiny and shimmery. Okay, Mommy, here's my slime.
Wow.
I changed the color as much as I could. And it's a unique color, right?
It is, but did you use all the slime?
Yeah, this is all the slime. I think you should take a look at Maddie's after I'm done with this. See how much slime she has.
Ooh, nice swirl. I don't know if I like the color, but...
I love you so much.
Oh, I love you too.
Let you sprinkle up some of my glue.
Ooh, that's pretty. I like that presentation. Nice, but let's go to the texture because I know it's very dry. It's a little tough.
But it still stretches.
It
That's
does.
the best point that counts.
Both is alright, I guess.
Don't you hear that?
Kind of butter slime, but tough. Okay. Alright, well done, Priscilla.
My turn.
Ooh,
Okay.
what is that?
Oh, it's slime.
Did
Yeah.
you use all of the slime?
Yep.
Yours was
Are
kind
you
of small.
sure? I did.
It looks kind of small to me.
Well, Priscilla wanted more, so I gave her more.
No. Maddie, did you cheat?
No. I'm telling you the truth. Do you not believe your own daughter?
I don't know. You have a history of cheating, so I don't know, Maddie.
Excuse me.
All right, let me see it. Well, the color is nicer than Priscilla's, I must say.
Just keep on watching for the amazing part.
I like the foam beads. Nice.
Yeah, recollection.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
And recollection.
Wow, I must say, I really love the color.
Thank you.
All right, well, let's go to the texture. Ooh.
It's a butter slime.
Actually, yours is not as tough as Priscilla's.
I know, right?
Yeah, I like it, and look how pretty. No,
Doesn't really
no poke. Okay, but yours is your texture is nicer, and your color is nicer. You know what that means? That Maddie won! Unless you cheat it.
I didn't. I have hearts.
I love your hearts, but hers
I
is
can't
prettier.
believe